In today's video, we're going to make a simple electric airplane using only a plastic bottle, a small DC motor, a battery, and a few basic materials you can easily find at home. This project is fun, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful. So let's get started. First, prepare an empty plastic bottle that will serve as the main body of our airplane. Choose a light bottle to make the plane easier to move and balance. Clean the bottle and, if you want a more aerodynamic shape, trim the sides slightly. Once the body is ready, we can move on to the wings. For the wings, you can use cardboard, craft foam, or even popsicle sticks. Cut out 2 wide wings and 1 tail fin. Attach the wings firmly to the middle of the bottle and place the tail fin at the back. This will help stabilize the airplane when it moves forward. Make sure everything is securely attached so the parts don't fall off once the motor starts spinning. Now comes the most exciting part, the electric propulsion system. Take a small DC motor and attach a propeller to its shaft. Mount the motor on the front or top of the bottle. Just make sure the propeller can spin freely without touching the wings. After the motor is in place, we're ready to connect it to the battery. Use an AA battery or a small rectangular battery. Connect the positive and negative wires from the motor to the battery terminals. You can use tape, electrical insulation, or even a small switch to turn the power on and off more easily. Once the battery is connected, the propeller will start spinning, producing thrust that pushes the airplane forward. The final step is to clean up the design and make it look cooler. Add decorations, stickers, or paint to give your airplane a unique style. And just like that, your homemade electric bottle airplane is ready to go. Place the airplane on a flat surface, turn on the motor, and watch as the spinning propeller propels your creation forward. With simple materials, you built an exciting and educational DIY flying toy. Feel free to experiment with different wing shapes, bigger propellers, or stronger batteries to see how they affect the airplane's performance. Have fun, enjoy the build, and let your creativity take flight. Please like and subscribe Creativediy channel.